Hello everyone, welcome back to Jump in Jan, where we're exploring 30 days of what learning Salesforce could look like, just a little bit a day, just a little bit. And today we're looking at Lightning email templates. We had a look at this in the last video, and it was pretty average. Looking at these templates, honestly not that impressive. So let's see what you may see. All right, just to recap, if you go into your little waffle icon up here and search up email, you will be able to click on this and find all your email templates. Awesome, first step done. And if you have a look at the one that we created in the last video, it was pretty subpar. Here we go, HTML value. It is not looking like a very fancy email. And so what you might be thinking is, well, how can we make this look better? The way that you can do it is you can build an email builder. Now, if you are looking for email builder, Lightning email builder, then you would usually see a button up here that says edit it in the Lightning email builder. But I don't have that button, and maybe you don't have that button. So what do? We go into setup and we're going to create a new permission set because we need a permission which we currently do not have. And the easiest way to do it and to be able to add this to other people is to create it as a permission set. So you're going to want to either look up or find or navigate your way to permission sets in Salesforce Setup. There we go. And we're just going to create a brand new permission set just for this one little setting. But it's only the one. It's not going to be super complicated. So we're just going new permission set. This is giving us an additional setting. I'm going to call it content builder permission because that's what it is. And I would say gives access to the Lightning email builder. Session activation required. This means that in order to activate this permission, the user needs to have done something or be in a certain place or a certain time or whatever criteria it is. Not for us, this is available all the time. Same with this license, all right? The type of people who can use this permission set. If you want only people of a certain license to be able to use this permission set, then you can select that here. But for us, again, we're just keeping it nice and generic. For anyone who needs it, I think that if you're creating any sort of email, you should have this permission. And then in your permission set up here, this is where you can start to add all your settings to your permission set. So I'm just going to search up Builder. And then the one that you're looking for is called Access Drag and Drop Content Builder. So if you click on that, it's going to highlight it here for you. And then in order to enable it in this permission set, you've just got to click Edit and then check that box for that permission and then assign it to yourself and whoever else wants it. All your friends and family. I'm sure they've all been asking for it too. So in here, we're just looking for that builder one. If you want, you can do a quick search. All right, look, there it is straight away. I've already been searching for it. Access Drag and Drop Builder. So you can just tick that and then save it. Once it's saved, it's just telling you, are you sure? Do you want to save these? Do a review. I'm saying yes, absolutely. That's great. It's pretty empty permission set really. It's only the one little permission. But sometimes that's all it takes. Just one. Then I'm going to my Manage Assignments and I'm going to want to assign this to myself. All right. So Manage Assignments. Look at that. They've changed the UI, haven't they? Used to be a bit of old classic and now we're seeing it in Lightning. We're slowly getting there. All right. Selecting myself and then you've got to scroll down. All right, 10 out of 10 UI there. Content builder permission, no expiration date. You could set an expiration date if you want. I don't know why. Here's an awesome feature. And then a week later, psych, actually you don't get this. All right, once you've assigned it to yourself or whoever else needs it, then you can come back into here, have your pretty terrible, lead open and then refresh your page. And hopefully we'll see a new button come up because that's what all this work is for, just to see this one new button. Come on, button. Here we go. Sending good Salesforce vibes out into the universe. We have no button. Why is there no button? All right, that looks good. Permission sets. Let's check it out. Let's check out what's going on. Content builder. This is the thing with doing some live ones as well, right? Because you really get to see everything that goes on, everything that happens. I'm just going to double check this is all looking good. So I'm just going back into this one here. Oh yeah, it's clicked. It's clicked there. Maybe we do a refresh. Maybe we do another refresh. Come on, Salesforce, work with me on this one. Surely. All right, if you've been in Salesforce for about 5 minutes, you'll know that the struggle is pretty real. So let's find out what happens next. Come on. All right, this sucks. I'm making a new one. We're going back to our email templates. All right, we're going to create a new email template. I'm going to call this one a very original name, test template. Ooh, template 2. Public. Test. Oh, to design your template by dragging components onto the screen, use the email template builder. Save the template, then click the edit in builder. Looking promising. We're going to save it. Surely. Here we go. Yes. Okay, we got it. Edit in builder. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to open up a nice new tool. I don't know why they hide it away like this, but sometimes it is hidden away. This actually reminds me a lot of the Lightning App Builder, if you've spent some time in the Lightning App Builder. Similar sort of vibe. Oh, welcome to the email template builder. Thank you. You know, it only took me 10 minutes to actually find my way here. That's fine. And then on the side, you can start to, create your beautiful email, which is really nice. After all that, I'm going to ignore all of the helpful hints, and I'm just going to jump into it myself. So you can add an image. You can add your text. You can put whatever you like into here. Rich text sounds like a good move next. You can start to set your style. All right, up here, margin top, margin bottom. How you want it all to look. All right, have a play around, have some fun, and yeah, then once you're done with it, then you can save it and then use it in all of your emails. So you can use it in your queues, you can use it in your flows, you can use it anywhere that you'd want to be sending an email. But in here, you can put in your own images, you can put in your own kind of formatting. It's just a lot nicer to use than the standard email, where you're a little bit restricted on what you can put in. That being said, this is no email tool first. It's not like a marketing tool that was made specifically for this. Salesforce has a whole nother product called Marketing Cloud, which is designed to be way better at this sort of thing and way better at tracking emails and newsletters. There's a reason that this is kind of limited, and it's because they have another product that you can buy, which also does that. So totally up to you. I like this one. Now you know how to get to it, so you can have a play around and start making awesome email templates here too. So best of luck. Hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.